Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Oracle Apex, and today my topic is percent graph. So if you see here, we have call it progress bar or percentage graph. So let me refresh it. Percentage completion, you can say percentage remaining or whatever you call it, but this is how it is. You can increase it or you can reduce it. It's up to you the way you want. Sometimes, let's say you want to decrease the values. Then maybe you increase the value. So you want to reach 100% or you want 2%. It's up to you. But let's say, for example, in Oracle Apex, if you have to create such progress bar, how you are going? This is the topic, right? So I'm just using a random value. It is generating random value at each time it is giving a different value, a different percentage. So let's try from scratch my page, and I have one page item. I just named it percentage graph because the type is percent graph. So if I click here in these types, we have this percent graph. Just choose this one, percent graph, and then let us review few properties. We have background color, we have foreground color, and we have text color. And this is the bar width. At the moment, I have increased it to 500. If I will remove it, standard. Okay. What I did, just for this example, I'm using this percentage, right? Sorry, random value. So if you don't want to give this random value, you will be getting this value from database or some other calculations, right? So you can use that one. So let me remove this and let me put statics. If I will say 95, you don't need to add percentage, it will be 95%. Have a look, fresh, 95. Now let's change the color as well. Foreground color, text color, background color. So this is my foreground. Let's say I'm making fresh. It is red. And any other property, I don't different other items because I've covered in other video all these properties of text items, etc. So you can get. And now let me increase this to bar width. Okay, you cannot, I think, go be 3 digits. Let's have it like, I think for height, but maybe in this template, optional, I will put optional right yet. Now, a question can be, because let's say, for example, we want to show red color if completion is less than 50%. And if it is more than 50%, or you can say any value, it should be green and things like that, right? For that, what you can do, you can assign or create a logic in your page load or any other item where you can get the color based on value of this text item. So instead of doing this one, this value you will be assigning to a page item. Let me add it over page item. Let's say I'm just put color, foreground color, right? This is my foreground color. And let me take the color, this one, moving it from assigning it to just this. Else I can put a condition over it, right? Up to you. I'm just showing how you can change the color dynamically based on the value. So this is the color, copy here, foreground, right? And sign this and dot. Save. This is my color and same it is. Let me change this color. So since I don't have a submit button here, else I could have here. But what I will do, here, let me put, just I'm taking this hexa value, so you can take from the site as well, right? Now I'm not making it conditional, but you can make it conditional, right? Another thing is here, let's say for example here, right? It is green because we have a color green over. Another thing is you can have this proper as well. So let me click here. I don't want to change value. So you can click like this and then here up to you. It will give you the value, right? End of the day you need it. That's it. And save. And you can even change this value as, sorry, the color text. The color of why it is saving. Right. So even I can make this the same way from another item. That is right. Then this is now hard coded. Last try I will be template optional. That's it. 999. So it is very long. And this can be your database column on your form. So what why and practice, get your feedback. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.